I think I've done videos before on the Model 237. This one was really mistreated in shipping, so I may have had the top off when I was checking it over after it first arrived. This is the one from Michigan. This knob had been bent, and I had mentioned the other day that the bobbin winder was acting a little funny. But this is what the 237 looks like, and you have to take the lid off anyway to oil the machine. So this is part of normal maintenance, is to do this when it's not plugged in if you have a motor on it, and oil the parts that are listed in the manual and check your bobbin winder. Now this has a fairly new bobbin winder tire on it, but let me just turn the hand wheel and listen. This clutch knob is very tight, so you can see this is engaged, and you can see, if the camera will focus, how the bobbin winder tire hits the hand wheel. And so the other day when I was trying to wind large spools, I would move it over like that, it would go, and this was skipping. So something was pushing this back just enough where it was sporadic. So that's the problem with the bobbin winder. But generally this screw, which looks like the only adjustment screw, shouldn't be adjusted really. It shouldn't need that. So either I need another new bobbin winder tire, or this was just getting stuck slightly away from the hand wheel and then stayed there. So if you have a 237 and the bobbin winder isn't as responsive as it should be, this is what you need to do. Now, I'm trying to remember how that comes off of there. If I remember correctly, sorry about that view. If I remember correctly, that is when you loosen the screw. You can check your manual. It might. I don't have mine right here, but it might be in the manual how to replace that. But I think what I did was take the screw off, lift the whole piece up, and replace the bobbin winder. The other option that I might have done is to just push it off and then put another one on. But if you do it that way, you're kind of pushing it from underneath. So if I find it in the manual, I'll add it to the information section. But this is what you're looking at if your bobbin winder is not working right.